Anakpom Major Mark Okoro Okagwo. Yes.
Major Mark
Okoro Okagwo.
Major
Yes, of course.
Were you enlisted in the Nigerian Army or?
No, I didn't.
So, where were you enlisted?
First of all, I was recruited in Army in 1967 at Hilltop, Enugu. That's where I was recruited as a soldier. After my passing out, I was posted to 27 Battalion Biafran Army Artillery. There, my first posting was at Umuahia here, at the provincial office. I was firing a plane that time. Later, I got Littlewood when I was with the 7th Battalion. Then, from there, they posted me back to artillery. There I was operating. Buffer gun, fighting plane, bombers. When they come to bomb our place, then we fight them. I was using HMG, what they call HMG, heavy machine gun. That is what I used that time. And I was using it to scare all the whole planes that is coming to bomb our place as a different soldier. So that is my position that time.
How old were you at that time?
I was at the age of 21. I entered the Biafran Army.
So with what you experienced during the war, do you think there should be another war again?
Well, since we are vying for our own country peacefully, we are not killing anybody, we are not fighting anybody, only just give us our right, because it is our right. We have our home before they come to marginalize us one place. Now we have realized ourselves because we offended God. That is why God didn't look after us. But now, since the Ahmadi Kemna and the Kalo have come to open our eyes, therefore, we are assisting to go back to our country, being Biafra. And if they come, that they are coming to fight us again, well, we cannot fear. We have to fight them because we want to get our country. We won't get to our country. They have been killing us, doing us all sorts of things. We have been enduring, killing millions of everywhere. When we shake, they kill. When we do ordinary rally, they kill. And we can't continue doing like that now. That is why we want to go on our own, to stay. Let them stay on their own, let us stay our own.
Do you think that's a wonderful suggestion? Do you think that's a good suggestion?
Yes, of course. It's a good suggestion.
What do you think are the benefits of achieving Biafra?
Oh, so many benefits. Because all the whole resources they are used to, all the whole Nigeria is using, is from Biafra land. And when they use it like that, they still use it to cheat us. You understand me? Therefore, we have realized our past mistakes is that if we know at that time when Ojukwu say, let us separate, if they agree that time, we could have separated that time. They could have not been using all our things as they are using it now. Okay?
Can you tell us about your experience handling the heavy machine gun?
Oh, yes. I'm using buffer gun and I'm using HMG gun. That HMG is supporting of this buffer gun. This buffer gun, there used to be 9 operators into that buffer gun. We have bearers, firers, the OPs that is minding when the enemy is coming, and they allow the operators who operate the gun, they start ready, and immediately the planes enter into the town, they start firing. And before they come, there must be a telephone to you. So number, the enemy area, the starting so place, heading towards so place. Then you'll be ready. Immediately the plane enters, then you start operating them. That is why they didn't do much harm in this our side. Because immediately they enter in Umuahia, we start pursuing them. Buffer will be fighting, HMG will be fighting, MR will be fighting, they scare away.
So So how did you learn to use the HMG?
Why? As an Igbo man, in short, any little technology, we capture it. And then the gun comes, they show us how to use it. We start using it, even more than the person who bring it for us.
Who showed you how to use it?
Our senior now. Our senior that time. Because there are all soldiers that come from Nigerian army to Biafran army that time. They teach us how to use the gun. And I went to school of artillery again after that, at Ofeme here. I went to school of artillery. There we capture all the whole manners of operating the guns, both Buffer gun and the HMG. And they were mile. That is because that battalion I belongs to, they always go with heavy weapon. 27 battalion is for artillery, shelling, bombing, all heavy machine that time to pursue the enemy. That is what we use that time. Yes.